Hello friends, this video on chemical bonding part 4 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have watched part 1 to part 3. So it says that in the formation of molecule, only the outer shell electron takes part in the chemical reaction. As I told, the Lewis approach of chemical bonding, the way Lewis explains, or the way the Lewis theory explains the chemical bonding is, it assumes that in the formation of chemical bond or chemical combination, only the outer shell electrons take part and they are called valence electron. The inner shell electron are well protected and they don't take part in the process. So we can ignore those inner shell electrons. And that's why if you see, right, lithium and sodium has the same Lewis symbol, same number of electrons, the symbol, because both has one outermost electron, but the electronic configuration of lithium and sodium is different, right? So if you see, the lithium is atomic number is 3, atomic configuration is 2 1, sodium is 11, it is 2 8 1, correct? But both have same number of outermost electrons. So the symbol looks similar for sodium and lithium because the Lewis approach is bothered only about the valence electrons, the outer shell electron. So this guy Lewis was an American chemist. He introduced a simple notation to represent the valence electron atom, and these notations are called Lewis symbol or Lewis dot structure. The way it works is you just write the name of the atom, for example carbon, and carbon has how many, what is the carbon atomic number? 6, electronic configuration is 2 4, so the outermost shell has 4 electrons, so you just put 4 electrons here like this. Similarly for boron, if you see, so if you see boron has atomic number 5. So atomic configuration is 2 3. Outermost electron has 3 electrons. So you write this boron and put 3 electrons like this. You can put 3 electrons anywhere, like this also you can put, or you can put like this also, doesn't matter. Just you have to put 3 electrons surrounding boron, and that's how write boron. Correct. So the way it works is you just write the name of the compound, find the electronic configuration, find the valence electrons, and just write the put the number of dots. Each dot represents one valence electron. Correct. So the number of dots around the symbol represents the number of valence electron. You can take more examples. For example, aluminium, if you take, has atomic number 13, right? The electronic configuration 283, right? See, you can write, if you're confused, you can write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p. This guy has the outermost electron 3, right? Al, aluminium, and put 3 electrons, 3 dots. That's all is aluminium. Correct. If you want oxygen, so let's take oxygen. Oxygen atomic number is 6, 1s2, 2s2, 2p. Sorry, oxygen atomic number is 8, 2p, 4. The outermost electron is valence shell is this number 2. It has 6 electrons. So write O and put 6 electrons. You can also write 6 electrons like this. Both are same actually. Right? So the trick here is find the electronic configuration, find the valence electron, write the symbol of the atom, and surround this with the number of valence electron. Each dot represents a valence. Correct. There's a rule called octet rule devised by Lewis. And according to this rule, he is telling that, he proposed that the atoms, either by transfer of electron, as I told in case of ionic bond, or by sharing of electron in case of covalent bond, they either transfer electron or share electron just to achieve this octet, because octet is a stable configuration. This rule is called octet rule. Correct? As I have explained, for example, sodium chloride, the levels of structure is Na1 dot. Why sodium has one electron in the outermost cell, chlorine has 7, so it will be 7 dots or 7 cross, doesn't matter. So sodium can easily lose one electron to get stable. Chlorine really accepts one electron to get stable. So this becomes Na plus stable, Cl minus stable, and both are attracted by the electrostatic force. So this is NaCl, and thus sodium and chlorine combines to form sodium chloride. This is the case of transfer of electron. For sharing of electron, example I gave was chlorine. So chlorine has, let's suppose 7 electrons. This guy has also 7. I'll write in this form, dot now. So nobody is willing to give, because both this chlorine wants to get electron. So they'll share this electron. This guy will assume that this has these 8 electrons, and this chlorine will assume that this guy has this electron is shared, right? So both assume that they have got 8 electrons and both are stable, and they'll form Cl2. This is what octet rule says that. So let's study. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.